Hello traders, this is Lord Swiss SFR. See, it has been a very long time since I made a video. So let's get into the full details of why I'm making a video today. Now, let's look at uh, gold. Since last 2 weeks, gold has been trading up because of the U.S. economy. The U.S. shut down, right? Now, since last week, lot of people have been buying gold, right? And even newbies can even wake up and buy gold, right? Now, how do you do a top-down analysis? How do you do a top-down analysis on gold? Now, let me show you guys how I do my top-down analysis. Right now, since gold has been trending since the last week, right? And if we go to daily time frame, right, we can see that gold has been trending up a lot, right, all the way from here. Okay, now in daily time frame, there is no way I can try to get a buy on gold, right? Now, what do? I go to 4 hour time frame, all right, and start looking for a little bit of retracement before I can start buying gold, right? Now, what am I waiting for? Gold is at the premium zone, right? And when price is at premium, we sell at premium and buy at discount, right? And the up here is premium and down here is discount, right? Now, what am I waiting for on gold before I can decide to sell down to discount zone? Once price comes to discount zone right here, I can also start to buy. Now, what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for gold to clear out all this liquidity. But before gold clears this liquidity in 4 hour time frame, I will have to look for a liquidity around here, right? Once gold forms a liquidity at this premium zone, right, then I'll start looking for my sell setup to the discount zone. And once price comes to discount zone, and for me to start buying after it has cleared out this liquidity, for me to start buying, I will wait for gold to uh, form any type of the liquidity trap at the discount zone right here, right? Once it forms any type of liquidity trap here, whether equal low or trendline liquidity or a long wick rejection candle that shows that it has taken out liquidity, before I can start looking for buy once price comes to the discount zone. All right, now let's look at for other currency pairs. Let's look at for other currency pairs. Okay, let's look at GBP AUD. Let's look at GBP AUD. Let's look at GBP AUD. Let's go to daily time frame. Now, in GBP AUD, I have done my top-down analysis on GBP AUD, right? And what am I seeing on GBP AUD? GBP AUD is bearish. Okay, price is bearish, right? Now, what am I looking for? Price has come to discount zone. This line I use here is a demarcation for premium and discount zone, right? So here now is the discount zone, where why here is the premium zone. Okay, now since price has come to the discount zone here, right, what do I do? I'll go to 4 hour time frame, right? And of course, my liquidity here has formed, and the price has taken it. If you look very well, if you look at very well, you can see that, yeah, I started buying from here, right? So price gave me a very good liquidity around here at 4 hour time frame, right before I started to buy here. Okay, now I have a setup right here which I'm still waiting out for, but GBP AUD is buy till price comes to the premium zone, touch the daily order block, then we look for any of the liquidity before we sell. Okay, let's go to AUD USD, right? In AUD USD daily time frame, what can we see? AUD USD, uh, price is bullish on AUD USD daily time frame. All right. So now, what I usually do is, once I determine the trend of the markets, right, then I will wait for price to form any type of liquidity. If a price is bullish, I will wait for price to form any type of liquidity in the premium zone, because let's assume that price is bullish. I will wait for price to form any type of liquidity at the premium zone, then clear it. Now, if you look very well here, you can see that this is liquidity I'm waiting about. Then price clear this liquidity, right? What again am I going to wait for? I will wait for a change of character to the downside. I will wait for a change of character to the downside. Now, once I see that change of character to the downside, then I will start looking for sell. So right here, I have a sell anticipation right here. Right, I have a sell anticipation right here, and it is a very high probability trade setup, right? So this is how I do my top-down analysis. Now let's go to AUDJPY. If you go to AUDJPY, let's go to daily time frame. Let's go to daily time frame. AUDJPY is what? AUDJPY is, yeah, bullish. Okay. Now what do? I I go to 4 hour time frame. This is how I do my top-down analysis. Don't forget, right? I go to 4 hour time frame. Now, okay, now look at now. In this 4 hour time frame right here, What am I looking at? I'm looking at for liquidity, right? I'm sorting out for liquidity. Whenever you do your top-down analysis, always wait for liquidity. That is for price to form a liquidity at your discount zone or at your premium zone and clear it. Then wait for a CHOCH, which is a change of character, and start to buy or sell, right? Now, if you look at this zone now, you can see that price formed a trend line liquidity here, and the type of liquidity that you should be looking out for is either a trend line liquidity, equal high or low liquidity, or a long wick rejection candle, right? Now, if you look at this one, you can see that we have a trend line liquidity here, right, which a price has cleared out. Okay. Now I have my CHOCH here. That is a change of character, right? And also I have a SAPOI right here, right? I am going to sell until a price comes to the discount zone, which is right here. So I'm going to sell until price comes to the discount zone. All right. So that is how I do my top-down analysis. Okay, that is how I do my own top-down analysis.